ChatGPT is like your personal genie of knowledge,
Say, you're a lot smaller than my last master.
ready to grant all your wishes. So without further ado, log in to chat.openai.com and create a free account with Google. Then you can begin your AI adventure. Don't rely entirely on it, because sometimes it may give you wrong information. It happened, oh yeah. And some of its responses can be dry as a desert. But together, we will unlock the art of giving it the right instructions and make the best out of its power. In this video, we will learn how to properly use it to create a great Etsy listing with SEO. So, you have an amazing product, great photography, and a mind-blowing offer. All you need now is a catchy title, an amazing description, and the best keywords. Say hi to ChatGPT and let's begin. Before you start generating these, give it these instructions. Here is a prompt that you can use. Hi ChatGPT, be nice to it. You never know what the future may hold. I need your human touch to help me create a captivating Etsy listing. And here's the catch. I want you to act as a content writer, very proficient in SEO with native English. Write content that is 100% unique, SEO optimized, human written in English. Write in your own words rather than copying and pasting from other sources. Consider surprise, engagement, perplexity, and burstiness when creating content, ensuring high levels of both without losing specificity or context. Write in a conversational style as written by a human. Use an informal tone, utilize personal pronouns, keep it simple, engage the reader, use the active voice, keep it brief. Use rhetorical questions and incorporate analogies and metaphors. Do not echo my prompt. Do not remind me what I asked you for. Do not apologize, do not self-reference, do not use generic filler phrases. Do not use sophisticated words, do not use complicated sentences, do not make it look like it was written by AI. And the most important task of all is to avoid plagiarism.
Whoa.
Now, you can write about your product and give as many details as possible. For example, give me at least 5 titles, reaching keywords, and with excellent SEO for a personalized handmade wooden cutting board engraved with the customer's name. Add as many details as possible to this prompt related to your product. Please offer me a description, reaching keywords for this product, and keep in mind the instructions. ChatGPT will give you a great description, reaching keywords. Remember to start with the first 3 words from your title in a sentence. So, slightly adjust this. And to make sure it really avoids plagiarism, go to grammarly.com, add plagiarism checker, and copy-paste the text. If plagiarism was found, you can regenerate the response, reminding the chat once again to avoid plagiarism. Or you can also check each paragraph separately to see exactly where they found issues. Now, it's best to add your own personal touch and change a bit the text, and also add your own product details, shipping options, and any other information or policies that are strictly up to you and your store. But anyway, it is a huge help and it will save you so much more time and money if you think about hiring someone from now on to redo your descriptions. Now, last fun part, the tags. Okay, ChatGPT, give me 13 amazing keywords for this Etsy listing. Each has a maximum of 20 characters. Choose both popular and specific keywords. Use long-tail keywords and not single words. Avoid Etsy's categories. These are really good, but you can see at first glance that there are some longer keywords. So, double-check them with wordcounter.net. And ask it again to replace the keywords that are too long or even give you new ones. It's not flawless, like I mentioned, but it offers some really great ideas that would have taken you a couple of hours to find. Okay, you got the idea and you've got this. Be specific and give it as many instructions as needed. Suddenly, creating an Etsy listing is so much easier, right? Keep these tips in mind to make the best out of ChatGPT. 1. Seek inspiration. Play with it and use it to brainstorm ideas for your products, from titles to descriptions and even unique selling points. It can offer you fresh perspectives and find the right words that work both for Etsy's algorithm and the potential customer. 2. Edit and improve the text. Don't just copy paste it. Check for plagiarism and add your personal touch as well. 3. Check for readability. Make sure the text has a nice flow and that it is easy to read and that there are no mistakes in it. Now you are ready to create a best-selling listing and take your Etsy store to the next level. Let me know if you would like to learn more about using ChatGPT for your Etsy store, and I'm happy to share all my new findings with you. Yes, let's conquer!